Yo, what is up guys, welcome back. Today this is going to be a very quick video. This is part of starting from scratch series. So we're just going to quickly claim this. And we're actually just going to do a playoff picker of the Lakers. And we're just going to open up a pack. Top performers. Yeah man, I'm very hyped for this. I'm looking for Bam, Jokic, Howard, Kendrick Nunn, or Tyler Hero DC event cards. Let's open this up. Click get 70 sets of silver. Boom, and get gold dream, but that sucks. But yeah man. It's gonna be a very quick video. Please follow me. Follow my other account right here. And yeah, man. Oh, by the way, I got a Rui Gay right here on the draft board. Do not have a screenshot of it. But actually, let's quickly do this. But anyways, guys, peace out.